So guys, you don't know, you have to wash your pine. Yeah. So basically I'm doing that. Then you know I'm going to wash the ginger because I'm going to use the skin and I'm going to use the pine. Right? So stay with me, man, don't go anywhere. Pine and ginger, yeah. So basically guys, peeling my pine. You don't know me can peel pine, you know. This is how me peel pine. You don't know that. This is how a woman peel pine. Yeah. So all of this skin here now I'm going to put in the pot. And I'm going to let it boil for 5 minutes. Alright, you notice these things, guys. The pine is sweet. These little thing here, I don't really watch it, you know. I don't really pick it out or throw it away, you know. It's because the pine is overripe. That's why we get these little black thing in it. But it's sweet. Sugar pine, this, guys. Sugar. Yeah, so I eat that. So I eat that, peeps. Yeah, man. I fell. All of this are going to a pot and boil. Pine biggie. It's a pine and sweet, you know. So basically we are putting the pine skin in the pot, yeah. And we're going to use some, show them down in the pot, look down in the pot. We're going to put a piece of ginger in it, but we're going to put some water in it. Yeah, we need the water to cover the pine skin. Yeah, man. Enough water to cover the pine skin. Look at that. So I'm going to toss my piece of ginger in it now. Yeah, and leave that to boil for 5 minutes. So alright, now ginger has been washed and beat up. So we're going over to the pot to toss this little piece of ginger in the pot. As I say, I'm not using much ginger because the juice, I'm making the juice for the children then that is here. So let's go over to the pot, guys. So we're going to toss in all of this little piece of ginger now in the pot, and we're going to go some booms and cover that and let that boil. Yeah, man. So meanwhile our pine skin is boiling, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my pine up, get it ready for the blender, you know. Yeah, man. As I say, overripe, don't watch that. So we are checking in on our pine skin, and guys, yeah, man, I think it's time for this to the stove to turn off now, and I have this sit and cool. Yeah, man. So yes, guys, turning off our pine skin that has just been boiled. I'm going to leave it to cool. So we are going to blend now, guys. So come over with me to the blender. So we are going to blend now, guys. Yeah. So we're going to put in some of our pine that we have diced up. Yeah. Tropical pineapple juice in the summer. You know the hot day, yeah? Guys, you don't know in the summer, you know the time hot, you know, man. You know, if you ask, you know, if the time I go hot, you know, the time hot. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so we're stirring up this, you know. And put probably a 3 spoon of sugar or something in it. You know, we don't want too much sugar in it because remember, so the pine is already sweet. Yeah, so we don't want too much sugar. So stay with me, guys. Sweetening time now. Boom. Yes, guys, so we're straining our pine juice. You can use a spoon to help with the pulp. You know, to just swave around in your strainer. Yeah, so the pulp, so that the juice can run out freely. Yeah. So this is it, man, our pine drink on a hot summer day. So the children, them are going to dive in some of this right, you know, right away. Yeah, man. Yes, guys, so we're not using a whole heap of sugar yet. You don't know pine sweet already. Worse, a sugar pine. Yeah, man. So you want to know, eat that free sugar for this, you know. Look at that, man. Nice tropical juice. Nice tropical pineapple juice. This just want to put to chill now. Or you know, just throw a few ice cube in the thing. Cause yo, me not like the day hot. Yeah, man, the day hot. Traditional Caribbean pineapple juice. Yes, guys. You can add a little salt to your juice if you want to. You know, I didn't want anything in mine more than just the ginger and add some brown sugar. Yeah, I just want the authenticness of the pineapple, right? You can add a little lime or lemon. Yes, guys, you can jazz it up, but as I say, I just want the authentic taste of the pineapple. So go ahead and like this video, share it. Thanks to all my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for liking. And to all my new subscribers, welcome and thank you for subscribing.